Today, we are overviewing the Four Winds family of Class C RVs by Thor Motor Coach with 11 models available. That's a lot. All models are built on a Ford chassis, so you know they're built Ford tough. All models feature spacious interiors, a large kitchen sink, durable fabrics, power steps, and tons of storage. Another nice feature is that all of these models come with a generator on board, so you never have to worry about power. These are really comparable to a Nexus Triumph, a Forester Class C, or a Conquest Class C. If you like our review and you want to get more information, give us a call or visit us at rvwholesalers.com. Thanks for watching.